Welcome to Ypour Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the Mushroom and Asparagus Paella. The ingredients of the Mushroom and Asparagus Paella are Paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, asparagus, 2 different types of mushroom, the rest of the Spanish ingredients such as paprika, paella mix and saffron, and vegetarian stock. So, let's get on with this asparagus and mushroom paella. Okay, let's start by adding our mushrooms. Ypourpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at Ypourpaella.eu. Let's add a bit of white wine. I've added around 100 ml of white wine just to give it an extra flavor to our mushrooms. While that cooks, let's add the onion and the garlic. Onion and garlic. Let's mix it up a bit. It's time to add our chopped tomatoes. Okay. Let's take this opportunity to add other ingredients such as half a teaspoon of paprika, available at Ypourpaella.eu. A bit of paella mix. This one that we sell at a store as well is for 6 portions, but since we're making 3, we're only going to use half. Okay. That's around half. And also, let's add some saffron threads that we have available from our store as well. There you go. Let me open it up. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Look at that. Let's add it. Okay. Let's mix that around for a bit. Now the paprika and the mix and the saffron mixing up with the white wine and the oil makes an amazing combination. You're gonna see in a few minutes, once we add the rice, how that makes a whole bunch of difference. Let's add the rice. We're using 300 grams because we're preparing 3 portions. Alright. Plate. Let's mix it up with the rest of the ingredients. Let's add our vegan stock. We have 1 liter here. We're gonna add 900 milliliters because we're using 300 grams of rice. Remember to do it slowly. Slowly. That's right. At the same time, I'm increasing our paella burner temperature to 100%. Okay. That's plenty for now. I'm leaving 50 to 100 ml for later in case we need it. Let's add a bit of salt. Okay. That paella is boiling nicely, so we're gonna reduce the paella burner power down to 50%. Something like that. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Be extremely careful, because as you know, our paella burner is at 50 now, but you can still burn yourself. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Down left. Okay, that rice is around 50%. It's a good time to add our asparagus tips. Let's shake that pan a bit. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Down here, for instance. Okay, our rice is around 70% at the moment. We're gonna leave it a couple of more minutes to make sure that it's thoroughly cooked. At this point, we're just reducing our paella burner power down to 30% for those last few minutes. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. On top. Alright. Okay, that rice is around 80% at the moment. I'm gonna leave it a few minutes more until it becomes 89 to 90% cooked. At that point, I'm gonna take it to our kitchen counter to let it rest for 5 minutes before we serve it. Let's add a bit more of our vegan stock, not too much, just to finish that off. That paella is done. I'm turning off the paella burner as we speak. I'm gonna give it the last shake and bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, here we have our mushrooms and asparagus paella. Doesn't that look fantastic? I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this paella. Mushrooms, asparagus, rice. Bit more. There you go. Okay guys, here you go. Our delicious and fantastic mushroom and asparagus paella. I hope you liked the recipe. This is Jay signing off. See you soon. Thank you very much.